Hi friends, it's Miss Sue. Today I wanted to read a story with you. This book is called 10 Little Ladybugs, and it was written by Melanie Girth and illustrated by Laura Hulliska Baith. This book is a counting book, and it counts backwards from 10 to 1. So let's see if you can count backwards with me while we read the story. 10 little ladybugs sitting on a vine. Along came a butterfly, and then there were 9. 9 little ladybugs skipping on a gate. Along came a caterpillar, then there were 8. 8 little ladybugs looking up at heaven. Along came a bird, and then there were 7. 7 little ladybugs resting on sticks. Along came a grasshopper, and then there were 6. 6 little ladybugs flying near a hive. Along came a bumblebee, and then there were 5. 5 little ladybugs sleeping by the shore. Along came a fish, and then there were 4. 4 little ladybugs climbing up a tree. Along came a turtle, and then there were 3. 3 little ladybugs drinking up dew. Along came a duck, then there were 2. 2 little ladybugs basking in the sun. Along came a frog, then there was 1. 1 little ladybug sitting all alone. Along came a breeze, and then she was home with all the other ladybugs and all the other animals. Nice job counting with me. Did you hear any rhymes in that story? Oh, I bet you did. Go back and watch again and you'll hear them. Now that was our story, and I thought that it would be fun to add a little cooking craft to go along with that story. So I went through my kitchen and I found some items that I used to make ladybugs. So you can have a grown-up help you at home. What I did was I took an apple and I sliced it. I also made one with a strawberry and I sliced that in half. I used some chocolate chips for spots on the ladybugs, and I stuck them on there with some peanut butter. You can use whatever you have at home. You can use some sun butter or Nutella, or you could even use some cream cheese spread or jelly, anything that you have at home in the fridge or the cabinets that would make anything stick. So you can pick up your chocolate chip, dip it in whatever sticky substance you're using, and you can decorate the fruit. You could also use tomatoes and vegetables. You can use pretzel sticks if you have them for antennas. You could use raisins instead of chocolate chips. Be creative. Find whatever you have in your kitchen that might work, and then enjoy a healthy snack. Bye, friends.